Heechheim is a hollow post mill in Goëngahuizen, Friesland, Netherlands, which has been restored to working order. The mill is listed as a Rijksmonument, number 33,999. History. The date that Heechheim was built is unknown, but it is thought to date from the 18th century. The earliest date that the mill is known to have been standing is 1820. The mill was marked on a map of Smalendscherland dated 1848. The mill drained the Polder de Boer. The mill was restored in 1954, 1970 and 1977. On 9 November 1978, the mill was sold to Stichting de Frisk Mol, English, Frisian Mills Foundation. The mill was restored again in 1995. It is maintained in full working order and held in reserve, should it be required for drainage purposes. Description. Heechheim is what the Dutch describe as een spanenkup. It is a hollow post mill on a single-story square roundhouse. The mill is winded by tailpole and winch. The roundhouse is clad in pantles and mill body is covered in vertical boards, while the roof of the mill is boarded horizontally and covered in felt. The sails are common sails with a span of 14.00 meters, 45 feet 11 in. The sails are carried on a wooden wind shaft that carries the 41 cog brake wheel. This drives the wall lower, 23 cogs, at the top of the upright shaft. At the bottom of the upright shaft, the crown wheel, which has 33 cogs, drives a gear wheel with 29 cogs on the axle of the Archimedes' screw. The axle of the Archimedes' screw is 280 mm, 11 in, diameter. The screw is 920 mm, 3 feet 0 in, diameter and 5.45 meters, 17 feet 11 in, long. It is inclined at 15½ degrees. Each revolution of the screw lifts 296 liters, 65 imp-gal, of water. Public access. Heechheim is open by appointment. References.